Assalamu alaikum, my name is Faiza Bukash and today I attended a lecture by Dr. Ali Nafi on happiness. So my long life dream was to become a physician, and alhamdulillah I finally was able to start medical school, and because of the stress of it, I sometimes forget to enjoy it and actually be happy that I'm here and I'm finally, realizing my dreams. And I'm always stressed and literally just chasing the clock all the time. So I feel like your lecture came at the perfect time to kind of remind me to kind of pause, take a step back, and enjoy what I'm at right now, and be happy about it, as opposed to let the stress and the overwhelming feeling about it take me and not allow me to enjoy it. So I just want to say thank you for sharing your experience with us. It was absolutely great.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everybody, my name is Ithman Ansi. I just attended a lecture at Massacre Convention by Ali Nafat. It was about happiness and I enjoyed it because I was stressing yesterday night. See, it was a long day yesterday. It was the first day of the Massacre Convention and I was feeling sad. Although I learned a lot, I was just feeling so sad. I was about to cry. I was literally about to cry before I slept. And it was all because I was feeling stressed. I'm like, I didn't have enough fun. I didn't hang out with enough people. And coming to this lecture, it kind of opened my eyes that it's all about inside. If you actually just look at it, if you take healthy steps and realize that happiness comes from inside you, and that you have blessings that you don't see, you overlook, and you look at things that you don't want, you'll realize that you have everything you need. And alhamdulillah, Allah has blessed you. So I appreciate that, and inshallah I'll review my notes, and yeah, jazakumullah khair for this.
My name is Shadia, and I just attended Brother Ali Nafia's lecture on the key to happiness. It was very enlightening. I read a lot of self-help books, in general. Throughout my life, I do a lot of different things to keep myself, out of the state of depression, which I feel is very easy to fall into in today's day and age with, social media, always comparing ourselves to each other, other people's highlight reel, so to speak. So it was just very enlightening. A lot of great tips on how to stay happy, exercising, practicing gratitude, wanting good for others, being kind to others and serving Allah is amazing, and I would highly recommend anybody come.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Iman and just attended the lecture of Brother Ali Nafi. I actually had a very stressful gap years between my undergrad and grad, trying to apply to schools and things like that. So I came here. I just actually got into the school that I want to go to. So, but I'm still a little bit stressed. So that's why I came to this lecture. And a lot of the things that you were saying about forgiveness, so things that happened to me in the past that was always haunting me and making me upset, I tried to do that forgiveness part, and it did make me a lot happier. And the daily routine is something that I just started doing, and I see when sometimes I don't do some of these things, I go back to it, and I know that these are the things that actually make me happy.
Assalamu alaikum. So throughout this talk, I learned how to now I understand that I can't change other people's decisions, and only that I can change my reaction and how I'm gonna move forward, and how I'm going to let that situation affect my decision, and how I'm gonna move forward. Because before, I would let so many things affect me, and I would just think about it all day. So now I realize that I shouldn't let that stop me from improving myself and moving forward and stuff like that. And also living in the moment, because a lot of times I'll think about things that happened months ago, and I'll get caught up in that, and a lot about what I'm gonna do in the future, and then I'll get scared about oh, what am I gonna do now that'll get me somewhere better in the future, and then I'm not focusing on myself. Now I'll try to work towards bettering myself in the moment rather than leaving it all towards the future.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Ahmed Abu Bakr. I'm a physician by practice, and I like Brother Ali Nafi because he shared his successful life experience, which means that you have to be balanced, because we know our body has soul, mind, and physical, and if you balance between all of them and following his steps, doing that, most of all you'll be happy and successful.
My name is Nagal Wahid, and my time here at Mass ICNA at the convention, listening to the lecture by Ali Nafi. I learned a lot, and one of the most things I've enjoyed during the lecture is how he said like not to compare ourselves to other people, because that's something we do a lot in our cultures and even in our classes. Like every time we like get one of our grades, everyone wants to know what everyone else got. And like another thing I really like enjoyed when he said was like how stress comes within, and people always look for things outside to relieve their stress. Like and that's like really how most people end up addicted to drugs and stuff, is because of the stress they create to themselves.
My name's Amber Rifle, and I'm at the Mass IGNA convention for Brother Ali's lecture about happiness. It was great. I learned that a good way to decrease your stress is to remember that you can change it, and that other people are only there as stimulus, and it's how you react to it.